Can you, in Kannada?
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey, good to have you here. Ready to sound polite and confident in Kannada? This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today your magic polite key is, can you, which equals,
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
think, Neil and woo, nivyu, then, ma da bahu da, super polite and super useful. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for help like a pro. Say, can you help me with this?
ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Say, please, can you call my mom?
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Say, can you check this document?
ನೀವು ಈ ದಸ್ತಾವೇಜನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Mini dialogue, office vibes. Listen in and repeat out loud. A. Excuse me, can you open the door?
ನೀವು ಬಾಗಿಲು ತೆರೆದು ಕೊಡಬಹುದಾ?
B. Yes, sure.
ಹೌದು, ಸಾಧ್ಯ.
A. Also, can you check the file?
ನೀವು ಕಡತವನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
B. Please send it. Please, in Kannada is,
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
A. Got it, thanks. Now you repeat the key line.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Forms and handy tips. Let's crack the pattern quickly. Pattern.
ನೀವು
Plus object plus verb plus.
ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Polite, can you? Question mark quote. Extra polite. Add.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
At the start. Negative twist. Can't you? Question mark quote.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲವಾ?
Different question. Do you? Habit.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀರಾ?
Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm with me, fun and sticky. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 and chant.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Clap on every chunk. Niwu, ma da ba hu da. Quick quiz. You got this, answer fast. Q1, how do you say, can you? Politely in Kannada? Answer.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Q2, say, please, can you help me? Answer.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Q3, translate. Can you call my mom? Answer.
ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Culture tip plus challenge. One last nudge and a tiny challenge. Culture tip. In Karnataka, adding.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Before.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Feels extra respectful. Your challenge. Ask 3 favors today, help, call, and check, using the phrase. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep learning at www.synapse-lingo.com. Practice daily and see you next time.